You know what we've done here, huh? Maybe most of you cannot even get 80 here, no? Okay, Corfu. Ito ang tanong mo. Kung mamamatay ka bukas, bakit ka ngayon? Okay? Kung mamamatay ka bukas, bakit hindi pa ngayon? No.
Pwede palitan, di ba?
No. There's only one question
Eh,
left.
bakit sila? Ano
Hey,
ba
sir,
yun, di ba?
you wait muna first. What are you asking?
Unfair yan.
Unfair. Okay?
What will you choose to become a performer or an spectator?
Oh, it's not really a difficult question. It's Tagalog.
Spectator. Manonood tsaka yung taga ano.
Kung ikaw ay papipiliin, ano ba ang gusto mo? Ikaw ba yung nagtatanghal o
Manonood.
nagpapalabas? O ikaw yung tumitingin o
Oo nga,
nagpapalabas?
agad siya.
Oh, what is the difficult question for that? For that?
Ano
you want to change?
Yes. Ayan, tapos na yung question.
Wow.
For those people who are picking up their question for twice, actually there is a minus grade for this. Okay, next.
Okay, Miss Universe.
Sana hindi na mahirap.
Okay, you have to answer that. That's your thing.
Poverty as a gender, what will it specifically male or female? Siyempre, female.
Okay. If poverty has a gender, ha? Kung ang kahirapan ay merong kasarian, what are you going to choose? Is it a male or female?
Siyempre po, female.
Okay, 2 minutes. Why? English.
What? Di ba pwede sa Tagalog?
No, it should be English. You know what? It's English subject. It's not Filipino subject.
Yun na, matatagay pa yun.
1 minute.
Ano rin pa siya?
Disagree.
Because
Disagree.
female, parang ako, sa ba?
English, sige. Wala bang marunong mag-English dito? Well, it's up to you. It's not my fault. Short stamping, you know what? Don't give me that kind of damping from here, huh? It's graded. Well, if you are not going to answer, I'm going to name you here in your activity.
Female kasi ako nga, di ba, babae. Kailangan naman natin magtrabaho, di ba? Yung kahirapan, pwede naman magkatulong tayo dyan. Para hindi naman yung kahirapan, hindi tayo mahirapan. Kaya, kung sa female,
Okay, time is up.